the lungs of the earth. Next point is tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest are also called monsoon forest. These forests are found in the monsoon region of Asia, parts of the Central America, Brazil and Northern Australia. These are the countries where tropical deciduous forests are found. In these regions, the vegetation is affected by the seasonal changes, means weather changes of temperature and distribution of rainfall according to the rainfall that received by a particular region or a country. There is a distinct dry season, means grow in a dry season. Thus, trees are less luxuriant, means very flexible according to grow in a humid climate. They shed their leaves during the dry season because they grow in moderate temperature, so they shed their leaves in dry season to conserve water. These forests have a thick undergrowth, means at deep of small trees and shrubs, so the trees are less dense and of medium height. Okay, these trees are not long, are of medium height. The characteristics of a tropical deciduous forest are, these forests are affected by the seasonal contrast of moisture and sun heat. As I told you earlier, these forests are affected by the climatic conditions. The trees of these forests shed their leaves in dry season. This is also a characteristics of a tropical deciduous forest. These forests have a great economic value. Economic value means it is used for commercial purposes, because wood of these trees is used for making furnitures, transport equipment, etc. These forests are also known as monsoon forest because it require monsoon, it grow in monsoon climatic conditions. The temperate deciduous forest. The temperate deciduous forests are known as mixed forest, and these forests are mainly used for medical purposes, means these leaves used for making medicine also. These forests are found in the eastern sides of the continents in the temperate latitudes. It means these trees are found in the coastal regions near the sea areas. These forests have warm, wet summers and cool, moist winters. Means the weather, the climatic condition in which it grows. Mixed forests are typical in the cooler areas. The north part of the South America and Australia also have forests of this type. So the trees in the forest include oak, beeches, maples, fir and spruce, etc. Clear? The last point is the Mediterranean forest. The Mediterranean forest found on the western side of the continents. The temperate deciduous forest found in the eastern continents, and Mediterranean forest found in the western continent in the temperate latitudes, especially around the Mediterranean Sea. Hot dry summers and cool wet winters are found there. So trees have thick barks, leaves and deep roots to minimize transpirations. Citrus fruit means orange, mosmi, etc. Fig, olives, cork, gum are the main forest products. Clear? Okay. The Mediterranean type of forest are mostly found along the west and the southwest margins of the continents, means found in the west coastal areas and the southwest margin of the continents. The main area is around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa and Asia. The other areas outside the Mediterranean Sea region include California state in the USA. You know about California, United States of America, Southwest Africa, South America, Central Chile, Southern Australia. Clear? Mediterranean forest found in these countries. Okay, thank